Naomi Home presents the Dona Corner Cabinet. Crafted for durability and practicality, this corner cabinet fits seamlessly into any corner of your choosing, whether it's your home office, living room, or any other space. Featuring 3 spacious tiers, this space-saving unit maximizes your storage potential and your decorating style while keeping your items neatly organized. From books, picture frames, to home decor, keep everything in its place with ease. Best of all, this corner cabinet comes equipped with an included power cord, transforming it into a convenient charging station for all your electronic devices. No more searching for outlets or dealing with tangled cords. Upgrade your home decor game today with this Naomi Home Dona Corner Storage Cabinet. The Dona Corner Cabinet is available in various colors such as black, gray, natural, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.